Quick reading for January the 14th to the 21st. This will be your weekly Aquarius. So we have the Queen of Cups, the Five of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. So parang, nararamdaman ko naman itong mga ginagawa ko is hindi nagma-matter, no? Parang walang value kay person. Might as well kaya isipin ko or gawin ko na lang, no? Na mawala na lang. Mawala in a sense na hindi ako magparamdam, hindi ako mag-communicate, no? I feel like kung hindi ito intention na ma-miss ako, meron din ditong part na iniiwasan ko on purpose, for the sake of talagang nandun yung heightened energy, siguro inis ako, galit ako. One thing's for sure, ito yung week na parang makikita natin yung less communication to no contact at all. So parang sinasabi din dito, no, with the Queen of Cups, someone might feel here na um nawawala yata yung pag-ibig or nauubos yata yung pag-ibig sa akin ni person. So this is your quick reading, January the 14th to the 21st, Aquarius.
Predicting future is my purpose.